What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another unboxing. This time it is our Allure beauty box that has come, and I cannot wait to hop in there and see what we have. All right, so before I get started, I do want to introduce myself to those of you who are new to my channel. My name is Simply Carrie, and I do beauty unboxings and unbaggings from time to time. Definitely check out my playlist of past subscription boxes and bags if you're able to stick around for more to come. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. I absolutely love getting these boxes because it makes me feel like I'm getting a gift every month in the mail. All right, so I'm gonna be using this pamphlet to help me navigate through all the products that's in the box. This is how it comes. Let's see, looks like we have tools of the trade. All right, so I'll read this a little bit later, but this is what it looks like. And I see I already have a mask in there. It's been a moment since I've done a mask. I need to do a facial also, so I'm definitely gonna be doing that. So let's get started and see what we have in store for us. Okay, so this one, this first one that I just pulled out is called Skin and Company Roma Truffle Therapy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm having to turn it this way so that the flash doesn't affect it. Oh, it's a cleansing cream. So this is a whipped cleansing cream made in Italy. That already sounds really nice. It says the cream lathers into a thick, slight soapy consistency. Price on this is $35. And you can buy it at skinandcompany.com. Let me smell this.
I don't want to squeeze it too hard because I don't want it to squirt in my nose. It's creamy.
But a creamy wash is supposed to be good as opposed to a gel or foam cleansers. Creams are really supposed to be the best for cleansing. So this is definitely going to be put to use. What's our next product? Okay, so we have the Espa Natural Beauty Inner Calm Clarifying Clay Mineral Mask. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if this is a sample size. It says 30 milliliters. Let's see, because that one's definitely got to be the full size product. This one also looks like it's probably a full size. It's $34, and you can buy it at us.espaskincare.com. I'm inclined to think that this is an actual full-size product based on how it looks in the brochure. I'm not sure, but it's a clarifying clay mineral mask, purifying mask to balance and deep cleanse. This is great. I definitely need something to deep cleanse. Let me open this up and smell it. No fragrance is a good fragrance. I do not like to have anything that has fragrance. I really didn't smell anything on there. All right, so the next item that we have in here is the Orbeez Flash Form Finishing Spray Wax. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This has definitely got to be a trial size. Okay, so it says styling my thick, coarse, curly hair can be a lot. I like to flat iron and then shake things up. Okay, what is this supposed to be? It adds buildable texture to create beachy waves. Oh, so this is a spray wax. So I would imagine what you would do is you would spray this on your hair, and you can use a flat iron or curling iron, hold it in place. So yeah, I definitely would try that. Okay, I don't want to spray it on myself. Where can I spray this? It smells good. Here, let me spray a little on this. Oh, I like the smell. This smells nice. Just for the smell alone, this is nice. I like that. Okay, so the price on this is $42. and you can buy it at Orbeez.com. But I just like the smell. It smells really good. Okay, next product is, okay, so this is a skin product. It's Dongjinbi $18.99 single essence. Oh, we have an essence. Okay, so the price on this is $54.99 for a 70 milliliter bottle. And this one that I'm holding in my hand, how many milliliters is this? 15 milliliters. Okay, so this is a sample size, but the actual, oh yeah, single essence of the many soothing treatments I've reached for to help heal the sensitivity I'm experiencing due to stress and insomnia. This has become my go-to. A K-Beauty favorite and Allure Korean Best of Beauty Award winner. This essence made with anti-inflammatory red ginseng extract not only hydrates my tired skin, but coddles it when it needs soothing the most. I've been using it as a prep step and my skin feels more hydrated with less noticeable redness. Okay, now I really don't experience redness with my skin. I don't feel, at least I don't think I do. But yes, I definitely could use an essence. I probably have a few. I normally don't use an essence all the time in my skincare regimen, but I should. Why not? But then again, what for? Anyhow, I like it. I'm glad I got it. All right, so what's the next thing? We get a package. Ooh, what's in it? Oh, I like this. So what do we have? I don't even know what it is, and I'm already like, I like this. Okay, so vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, synthetic. Okay, yeah. What is it? LaRouseBeauty.com. LaRousse Beauty. I'm not familiar with LaRousse Beauty, but let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, Allure, you just do me so well. Oh my God, you think I'm gonna give up my subscription to Allure? Look at this, I've got some more makeup brushes and these are nice. Okay, so price on, is it price on all three? So it's a set. All right, so this is a set. This is the LaRousse 3-piece brush set. These makeup brushes are all about the finer details that take a look from amateur to professional. Okay. So yeah, these brushes alone is gonna make my amateur makeup a whole professional look. Okay, yeah. But I'm thankful for them. The flat concealer brush carefully lays down the pigment to disguise a pimple that just popped up. The squat dense bristle, I guess that would be this one right here. Okay, the squat dense bristle on the short shadow brush are perfect for adding a bit of sparkle or vibrant shadow to the inner corners of the eyes. The last magic wand, all right, which maybe I guess it would be this one, is also the fluffiest and most versatile. The angled shading brush. Not only can you sweep shadow all over your lids with it, but the velvety soft bristles also blend out the edges to give your look the dreamiest finish. All the brushes have manageably short bristles, so you are in complete control even if you're not 100% sure what you're doing. Okay, so I should be in control as I'm using these, and yes, they are nice and fluffy. Nice fluffy brush. Okay, so let's see. That feels so soft and nice. Oh, sometimes, you know, you can get a brush and the brush is kind of rough, and I don't like anything rough across my eyes because the skin around my eyes is really delicate, but this is so soft. It's so velvety. Oh, this, I love it. Okay, just wanted to try that out. Now this, I'm telling you, is so worth the price of the subscription. The price on it is $84 and you can buy it at larousebeauty.com. The last product that we have in the box is, oh, Tea Tree Relief Lab Coats. I've had a mask done from Lab Coats and I think I've done a video on one. I'm not sure if it was a charcoal or not. The thing is with Tea Tree, I really am not crazy about the scent. It can be so strong. But it says here that using this mask weekly changes the game. It relaxes me after a long day and revitalizes my skin when it's dry or dull. I leave it on for 15 minutes, then I glow. Okay, so we can get this for $4 for one, and where to buy it at labcoastusa.com. Okay, so overall guys, I got about 6 products and I spend, I believe, about maybe $25 for this box, and this is all so worth it because these products are, as you can see, they aren't cheap. These are definitely things that you can use. I hope you enjoyed this month's unboxing of Allure. If you've come this far, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video. All right, take care, bye.